Every time you ask ChatGPT a question, billions of tiny calculations fire across a structure that looks nothing like a human brain. Here's what's actually happening inside. A neural network starts with layers of artificial neurons, arranged in sheets that stretch from input to output. When you feed it data, maybe an image of a cat, each pixel enters as a number at the input layer. Those numbers flow forward, neuron by neuron, getting multiplied by weights and pass through activation functions that decide what fires next. It's not thinking, it's transforming raw data into patterns through pure math, layer after layer, until the final neurons light up with an answer. The magic is in the connections. Each link between neurons has a weight, a number that amplifies or suppresses the signal passing through. During training, the network sees millions of examples, cats and dogs and everything else, and adjusts those weights bit by bit. When it makes a mistake, an algorithm called backpropagation traces the error backward through every layer, tweaking weights to get closer to the right answer. After enough iterations, those billions of weights encode knowledge, not as facts in a database, but as a landscape of relationships. Modern networks stack dozens or hundreds of these layers deep. Early layers detect simple features, edges and colors. Middle layers combine those into textures and shapes. Deep layers recognize entire objects, faces, even abstract concepts. Each layer builds on the last, creating a hierarchy of understanding that emerges entirely from data. GPT models take this further with attention mechanisms, letting every word look at every other word simultaneously, finding context across thousands of tokens in parallel. The architecture is deliberately designed so that meaning crystallizes from statistics. When you type a prompt, your words become vectors, coordinates in a vast mathematical space where similar meanings cluster together. The network navigates that space, calculating probabilities for every possible next word based on everything it learned. It's predicting patterns, not retrieving memories. There's no little librarian inside searching for facts, just matrix multiplication. Billions of times per second, steered by those trained weights until statistically likely text emerges token by token. That's the gap between what it feels like and what it is. So that's the real picture, not magic, not consciousness, just layers of weighted math turning input into output. Understanding the mechanics doesn't make it less impressive. It makes it more. If this changed how you see AI, hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into how technology actually works.